In this video, we will see how to limit cash on delivery to specific location. Here you can see cash on delivery not available to your location because we have enabled it to specific pin code. Now here we see cash on delivery. So we'll see how to enable and disable it by town, city, country, state, pin code, all these, and it is for free. Let's go. First here, log into your admin dashboard of WordPress. Now we will install plugin through which we'll set up to restrict cash on delivery on specific location. So we will need to set up it properly. First we will install this plugin and let's see how we can set up it. WooCommerce Smart Cash on Delivery. Install it. Here, plugin has been installed. You can go on WooCommerce, click on setting, then go to payment. Here, what we want to do, we want to manage cash on delivery. Enable it, then click on finish setup. You can see cash on delivery is enabled. Title is cash on delivery, description, instruction. If you want to enable it for specific shipping method, just remove it now. Disable on specific shipping zone. If you want to disable cash on delivery by shipping zone that you have created here in shipping, leave it. We will do using country, specific state, and pin code. Okay. We want to disable or enable. Here both options. Like if you want to disable in Afghanistan, here, or you can, if you want to enable in Afghanistan, you can select as per your requirement. If you want to disable cash on delivery to specific location or enable cash on delivery to specific location, you can set as per your requirement. Okay, just remove it. I disable on specific state. What I will do, first I will enable in only India. Now I just want to disable it in Karnataka. Yeah. Now it will be disabled on Karnataka and it will be working for other state. You can disable by city, disable by pin code, disable if cart amount is greater than or equal to. If you want to disable cash on delivery if cart amount is above 5,000, you can disable it. Disable for a specific user. If you want to disable by specific product, like this product cannot be purchased on cash on delivery, there are multiple options. You can set as per your requirement. You can show generic message. Set if you want to charge extra fee, that feature is also in this plugin. We don't want to go there. For now, just leave it here. One more thing, what I will do, I will go on general and here country state I will change to Delhi, and I don't want to sell to all country. I want to sell to specific country, like I want to sell to India. Now what will happen, I don't have to enable disable for one country. Inside India I can set rule for specific state. You can also set from here if you don't want to deliver anything. Add to cart. Now product has been added. You can go to cart, check out. Now here you can see I can see cash on delivery, all the payment method. Now if you want to add some, this is my current location is of Delhi. I can easily see cash on. Now what I will do, I will add Karnataka. Here you can see there is no cash on delivery method. Only I can see direct bank transfer. There were two methods, but now here you can see there is no cash on delivery method. If you want to show notification, what you can do, go to setting, click on manage, cash on delivery is not available in your here. I've written a message that will guide him that cash on delivery is not available in your message. Here you can see. Now I can see cash on delivery is not available in the location. If I select any other state, cash on delivery will be available. But if I select Karnataka because I have disabled for it, here you can see it will be. Now here you can see when I select Delhi, it is available. But when I see Karnataka, here you can see it is not available and it is showing cash on delivery not available at your location because we have set up it that cash on delivery will not available in Karnataka. You can also what you can do countries by default India. If you want to set up by pin code, what you can do like here one more thing what I'll do I just want disable I want to enable it in only Delhi and inside specific pin code I can even write in a range. Here you can see in range if I want to write like this and then I will add 3 dot and double one double 0 50. Here you can see 110082110050. Now it will available to up to that pin code. I will show you. Now I will go to checkout, refresh it. Now here I first need to select Delhi because we have enabled only in Delhi. Now what I need to do, here you can see it is enabled in 8, but when I select 7, here you will see cash on delivery is not available. It is available up to 50 because we have set up to 50. You can see cash on delivery option, but whenever I select 51, it is not available. So you can enable and disable cash on delivery as per your requirement. Here you can get both options, disable or enable. You can enable, disable in country, state, pin code, city, every possible feature in this plugin, and it is for free. So that's why you can set up it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.